Have you ever felt tears rising unannounced? Not from pain but from love. So deep that it breaks you open. When the divine calls you to sing, you sing. And in that singing, you forget yourself. Rabindranath Tagore writes in Gitanjali, "When thou commandest me to sing, it seems that my heart would break with pride, and I look to thy face, and tears come to my eyes." It's such a simple, so true, so alive, and such a raw moment. Have you ever felt tears pour down for no reason while chanting, praying, or sitting quietly? This unannounced innocence, this trembling softness, it's the soul remembering its true nature. It's a quiet promise that you are walking on the right path, on the path you are meant to walk. Tagore says, all that is harsh and dissonant in my life melts into a sweet harmony, and my adoration spreads its wings like a glad bird on its flight across the sea. The soul's deepest yearning is this freedom, this flight. A freedom that isn't an escape, but a surrender into something vast, safe, and eternal. I know thou takest pleasure in my singing. I know only as a singer I stand before thy presence. This line is the truth of our eternal connection. Our existence itself is the divine's joy. Our service is his pleasure, and that becomes our purpose. As a singer, as a servant, we truly stand before him. I touch by the edge of far spreading wing of my song thy feet which I could never aspire to reach. Our devotion, like a bird's wing, spreads without break. At its highest point, at the edge of surrender, it reaches what we can never reach with effort alone. Because there is no other way to touch the infinite except through love. Drunk with the joy of singing, I forget myself and call thee my friend who art my Lord. To forget yourself is to truly awaken where the veil of Maya falls. Drunk with bliss, we call the divine not just Lord but friend. In this moment, the illusion of hierarchy dissolves, leaving only love. So today, what is your song? What is that one offering that when you give it, you forget yourself and remember who you truly are? May we live like Tagore's prayer, to sing when called, to live without measure, to fly without fear, and to call the divine friend.